Hello friends and welcome to another tutorial on Geeks for Geeks. In this video, we are going to understand the program which helps us in printing in-order successor in a binary search tree. First, let us take an example. In binary tree, in-order successor of a node is the next node in in-order traversal. In-order successor is null for the last node in in-order traversal. In binary search tree, in-order successor of an input can also be defined as the node with smallest key greater than the key of input node. So, it is sometimes important to find next node in sorted order. Now, let us have a look at the algorithm. Let us also have a sample tree to test our algorithm. We assume that we have to find in-order successor of node 12. So, we pass 12 to n and 20 to root in in-order successor function. We check if 12's right is not null. As 12's right is null, this condition is not satisfied and we take a node p which points to n parent. So, p will point to 8. The condition in the while loop is satisfied and we reassign n to p, then set p equal to p's parent. So, n will point to 8 and p will point to 20. Now, p is not null but n is not equal to p's right. So, we return p which is 20 and that is the in-order successor of node 12. With this, we finish execution for this program. Now, let us have a look at the time complexity of the program. This code will run in big O of h complexity, where h is the height of the binary search tree. With this, we come to an end of this tutorial. For any doubts or suggestions, please leave them in the comment section below. Thank you for watching.